Hi, my name is Greg Fell. I'm Director of Public Health in Sheffield. Students, whether you're a new student or a returning student to Sheffield, welcome or welcome back. City and student life in this year is going to look different, very, very different. You won't know that. Be assured that the preparations that we've made as a city are well within the lines of government guidelines. The government guidelines will change, and we'll change our preparations accordingly. Whilst you're here studying and living in Sheffield, then safety is our number one priority. It's the number one in our strategy for coronavirus is to keep people safe. Many of you are going to experience a very different university life than the one you may have anticipated. I'm sorry about that, and I know that will be frustrating. The colleges and universities have done a huge amount of preparation work, and as part of that, things will be different. The recent data is telling us that the people who are being most affected or infected are the 20 to 25 year old group. So that's the group in which the incidence is going up fastest at the moment. That was anticipatable, it's definitely happening. So we're preparing accordingly. It's invariable that you're going to mix with other people. That goes without saying, but remember to keep your distance, remember to wash your hands regularly with soap and water or use hand gel. The pub and club scene is not going to look the same as what you were used to last year or what you may have been anticipating. There are restrictions in terms of the numbers allowed. That does not mean you can just transfer the party back to the accommodation. The restrictions in pubs are in place to stop the spread of the coronavirus. And as we've seen, coronavirus isn't something that you want at your party. Many of us will be well, that is the reality, but significant numbers of us will really, really not be well. What we're learning about as we go along is that it's not only a virus that affects old people. There are some significant illnesses in younger people as well. So I think we're very, very mindful of that as we prepare. This isn't going to last forever. We're trying to get the city back to as normal as possible. I think it will be some new kind of normal. We will be living with coronavirus for the next 2 or 3 years at least. So I think we will be adjusting to a new normal. There's a few things that is worth remembering. Bubbles, firstly. You and your housemates will be classed as one household, and a household refers to or is defined as the people that share a kitchen and a bathroom. Household does not mean the 250 students that you might share an accommodation block with. That's multiple households, so it comes back to who do you share a kitchen and a bathroom with. You do not need to socially distance or wear face coverings for those when you're interacting with those within your households. However, when you're with other households or when out and about, then the normal rules apply about face coverings and social distance. You will be asked to distance in shared spaces when meeting people outside your household. That will include any events that you attend. You will be able to socialise indoors and stay overnight with one other household. That's in line with government guidance. As I say, that guidance may change and we will change accordingly. Please wear a face covering when asked to and required to in the city. That includes shops, public transport. Please remember to wash your hands frequently or use hand gel, 70% alcohol hand gel. So the universities and colleges have been working really hard to provide a safe experience on campus. They've done so for the safety of the students, the teaching staff and all of the staff concerned. There's a wide range of information on all of the websites and it's pretty easy to find. Some of that will be some of the links are posted on the video. So finally, of course, we all want your time in Sheffield to be as normal as possible. Who wouldn't? Your safety is really important to us. Listen to the guidance, act on the guidance. When we don't want you to return home with more than your dirty laundry. So what we're trying to do is, throughout all of this, keep people safe and contain the spread of the virus.